Ever looked in the mirror and wondered what makes you? What keeps your body running like a perfectly tuned orchestra? The answer lies with some tiny, silent conductors orchestrating everything behind the scenes. These are your hormones. They're the chemical messengers traveling through your bloodstream, influencing everything from your growth and mood to how hungry you feel, how well you sleep, and even how you love. It all starts in the brain, with a small but mighty region called the hypothalamus. Think of it as the master controller of your body's internal balance. It's constantly checking in, and when it senses something is off, it sends a signal to its right-hand man, the pituitary gland. This pea-sized gland is often called the master gland for a reason. It takes orders from the hypothalamus and directs a whole host of other glands, like the thyroid and adrenal glands. Without the pituitary, many of your body's most essential functions would grind to a halt. Now, let's travel down to your neck. Here, you'll find the thyroid gland. It produces hormones that control your metabolism, basically, how fast your body uses energy. If your thyroid goes into overdrive, you might feel anxious, your heart might race, and you can lose weight unexpectedly. If it slows down, you'll likely feel tired and sluggish. Tucked behind it are the four tiny parathyroid glands, which are crucial for regulating calcium levels, something your nerves and muscles can't function without. Moving down into the chest, we find the thymus. This gland is a superstar during childhood, as it helps train your immune system to fight off infections. It shrinks as we get older, but its early work leaves a lasting legacy on our immunity. Then, hidden behind the stomach, is the pancreas. This organ is a double agent and helps with digestion, but it also produces insulin and glucagon. These two hormones work together to keep your blood sugar balanced. When this delicate balance is broken, it can lead to conditions like diabetes, showing just how vital hormonal harmony is. Perched on top of your kidneys are the adrenal glands. Small, but incredibly powerful. The inner part releases adrenaline, the famous fight or flight hormone that gives you a surge of energy in a crisis. The outer layer produces cortisol, the stress hormone. While it helps you cope with danger in the short term, chronic stress and high cortisol levels can take a serious toll on your body and mind. And of course, we have the hormones that define so much of our identity. In men, the testes produce testosterone, driving muscle growth and energy. In women, the ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone, which regulate the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. But hormones aren't just about physical processes. They're deeply connected to our emotions. Take oxytocin, often called the love hormone. It's released during hugs, affection, and childbirth, strengthening social bonds and creating feelings of trust. Then there's melatonin, produced deep in the brain by the pineal gland. It governs our sleep-wake cycle, telling our body when it's time to power down and recover. So, from the energy you feel when you wake up to the love you feel for others, hormones are the invisible forces shaping your life. They are the silent conductors of our internal orchestra, creating the beautiful, complex symphony that is you. Understanding them is understanding the very essence of what it means to be alive. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the human body. See you in the next one.